Have you ever discussed with your spouse or with your grown up children that your house is too small? You moved from a 2 BHK with 5 6 people to a 2 BHK with, say, 3 people, right? So, when you moved in, you thought, well, you have a big house, right? You never felt that the house was small. Suddenly, after 4 5 years or 6 years, you have discussed with your spouse that you need one extra room in case some guests come, in case your parents come, in case my parents come, in case some guests come, we need to give them a separate room. Have you ever discussed this? Have you ever thought your house is too small? Go back to the day that you bought it, the day you saw the house for the first time. You thought it was a very big house. What happened? Simple. The house didn't get smaller, your clothes didn't get tighter, you grew fat, and you bought too many things. You just bought too many things. You got 84 pairs of dresses, some 14 pairs of shoes, and things all over the house. You got extra large TV, then therefore you got a sofa, you got cupboards, you stuffed them with things, and that's it. Things which you bought without even needing it, things which you have kept unused for 6 months, 8 months, right? Your house is full of such stuff. Now go and declutter. Remove that exercising equipment, that guitar which you will never play, that golf kit which you fooled yourself into believing that it was a good deal. A second hand golf kit for 6 lakhs, not a bad deal, so you bought it, but you never played, or you played 3 times and after that you have not played, right? Go and declutter everything, right from your mind, your desk, your wardrobe, your shoe rack. Just go give away things. It's a great pleasure giving away things. I get more pleasure in giving away things than in buying new things now. So the extra running t-shirt, gym shorts, gym bags, things which are lying unused, anything which is not used in the last 6 months, 8 months, or you keep a 1 year calendar and say, if I have not used it in 1 year, it means I don't need it. Just give it away, right? So if you're going to use it, make sure that you use it. You have a cycle, make sure it's in usable condition. You have a water bag which you use while cycling, make sure you use it, right? Do those things. Either use it or give it away. Don't clutter. Don't keep too many things. Once you declutter these things, your house will no longer be feeling small. It is not about being small, it is about feeling small. And if you have a kid who is 18, 19, you can be sure that in 4 years, 5 years, they'll be out. So suddenly this house will sound very big. It is not small. So check out what you have, check out how much of things which you have, which you're not using. I'm not saying don't buy things, but if you have things which you're not using, they have no place in your house. I know people who have books which they will not finish reading in their lifetime. They have CDs which they will not watch during their lifetime, and it is all kept all over the place. It's in the attic, it's in the cupboards, it's they actually go and buy storage to keep things. Doesn't make sense. US is a big market of storage keeping, so you could just go and stuff all your things there, and if you don't miss it for 1 year, I think you should just give up the goods and the storage, right?